Imagine immersing yourself in crystal clear, cinematic sound without the hassle of tangled wires. Welcome to the future of home audio, Loewe's WeBoost system. Priced at just £999, Loewe's new Dolby Atmos system delivers an experience that's hard to beat. The WeBoost system offers a full 4.1.2 Dolby Atmos surround sound setup, putting you at the heart of the action. With 720 watts of powerful sound, this system features a subwoofer and 4 wireless active satellite speakers, ensuring every corner of your room is filled with vibrant, immersive audio. Equipped with upward-firing drivers, the WeBoost maximizes the magic of Dolby Atmos, bringing 3D sound that surrounds you, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the movie or game. What's more? It's all wireless. Say goodbye to messy cables running across your floor and enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined setup. Setting up the WeBoost is a breeze thanks to its HDMI eARC dongle. A simple plug-and-play setup means you won't spend hours tangled in wires and settings. Just connect and start experiencing Dolby Atmos in minutes. The system also comes with a sleek remote featuring an OLED display, allowing you to make real-time EQ adjustments with ease. It's intuitive and, dare we say, even more user-friendly than some of the competition. When compared to other premium sound systems, like the Sonos Arc Ultra, Loewe's WeBoost offers unbeatable value. Sure, Sonos is great for multi-room audio, but if you're after pure cinematic Dolby Atmos surround sound without the need for extra accessories, the WeBoost might be the smarter choice. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music, the WeBoost delivers immersive audio that takes your entertainment to the next level. Priced at £999, Loewe's WeBoost system will be available in June at select retailers. If you're looking for a complete Dolby Atmos experience, this might just be the system you've been waiting for. We'll keep you updated on pricing and availability in the US, so stay tuned for more. Don't miss out on transforming your home entertainment experience.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.